Dream big, work hard in. A charming little town nestled among the gently rolling hills, there lived a young boy named Leo who possessed an extraordinary imagination and an unquenchable thirst for adventure. From the very moment he took his first steps, he dreamed of becoming an astronaut, utterly captivated by the shimmering stars and the infinite expanse of the universe. Each night, he would lie in his backyard, gazing up at the night sky, envisioning himself soaring among the constellations, exploring uncharted planets, and unraveling the mysteries that lay within the cosmos. Yet Leo understood that dreams alone would not propel him to the stars. He recognized that hard work, perseverance, and dedication were fundamental pillars to achieving his lofty aspirations. With unwavering resolve, he embarked on a determined journey that would equip him for the challenges that lay ahead. At school, Leo threw himself into his studies, particularly reveling in subjects like science and mathematics. He eagerly engaged in every lesson, asking probing questions and seeking to expand his knowledge. His teachers quickly recognized his passion for learning and encouraged him to pursue his interests with vigor. After school, he would often find himself at the local library, devouring books on space exploration, renowned astronauts, and the groundbreaking technology that made space travel a reality. Leo's commitment to his dream extended far beyond academics. He eagerly joined the local astronomy club, where he connected with like-minded peers who shared his passion for the stars. Together, they organized stargazing nights, constructed model rockets, and even hosted science fairs to inspire the community with their enthusiasm for space. Through these enriching experiences, Leo learned the importance of collaboration and teamwork, realizing that remarkable achievements often emerge from the collective efforts of individuals working harmoniously toward a common goal. However, Leo's path was not without its challenges. He faced moments of self-doubt when he grappled with complex mathematical concepts or encountered setbacks in his ambitious projects. Yet, instead of succumbing to frustration, he embraced these challenges as invaluable opportunities for growth and self-improvement. He actively sought guidance from his teachers and confided in his friends, understanding that reaching out for help is a sign of strength, not a weakness. As the years unfolded, Leo's steadfast dedication began to yield fruit. He excelled academically, earned prestigious scholarships, and ultimately secured a coveted spot at a renowned university known for its exceptional aerospace programs. His dream of becoming an astronaut was now tantalizingly within reach. Yet, throughout this journey, Leo remained grounded in the lessons he had learned along the way, that resilience, hard work, and an openness to learning were the true keys to success. After years of rigorous training, education, and unwavering commitment, Leo finally realized his long-held ambition. He was selected to join an elite team of astronauts on a groundbreaking mission to explore Mars. As he stood on the brink of space exploration, he reflected on his incredible journey. From a small boy lying in the grass, gazing up at the stars, to a determined individual prepared to venture into the unknown. Leo's story served as an inspiring beacon of hope in his community, encouraging others to pursue their own passions and work diligently toward their goals. He became a symbol of the belief that dreams are not merely whimsical desires. They are tangible realities waiting to be achieved through hard work, determination, and an unwavering belief in oneself. Leo's journey illuminated the path for many, demonstrating that with big dreams and relentless effort, anything is indeed possible.